This actually brings us to the end of the world's greatest one-day water rafting trip down the mighty Zambezi with Safari par excellence, the premier rafting company, the Adventure Specialist. And for me, on behalf of the Safari River Boys, I would like to say thank you very much, guys, for supporting our lifestyle. We hope to see you again in the near future. But before you go, grab yourself another beer and stay tuned for the highlights. Why? Because you guys will feature in them. Ciao, ciao.
By the record machine, I knew he must have been about 17. He was going strong, playing my favorite song, and I could tell it would be long that he was with me, yeah me. And I could tell it wouldn't be long that he was with me, yeah me, singing. For his name, that don't matter, he said, 'cause it's all the same. So can I take you home where we can be alone? And next we were moving on, he was with me, yeah me. Next we were moving on, he was with me, yeah me, singing. Moving on and singing that same old song, yeah, with me, singing.